At the Green Acres Academy, we ensure our students excel academically while also preparing them with skills relevant for the jobs of tomorrow. We build strong speaking, debating, and presentation skills, empowering students to express their ideas with clarity, confidence, and conviction. Through hand-on projects that connect subjects like math, science, English, arts, and sports, we nurture creative problem solving, showing students how ideas come together in the real world. Students learn coding, graphic design, and essential digital tools right in the classroom. So by the time they graduate, they can build their own apps, create designs, and collaborate effortlessly. As digital tools become part of everyday life, it is critical that students learn responsible usage, and that starts here at school. Students learn how to make smart choices online, from recognizing trustworthy information to keeping their personal data secure. And that's not all. With the AI revolution unfolding every day, we ensure our students develop the confidence, curiosity, and digital fluency needed to thrive in an AI-driven world. Step inside a school built for tomorrow. Schedule your campus tour now.